So hey everyone, welcome to the another episode of my remote job series. So this is 20th episode of my remote job series. And today I bring you to another new website that is Neevo AI, in which you will do the data annotation work, translation, transcription, and audio transcription, and other small to medium to high end tasks. So this is a global opportunity. So if you go here, as you can see, get paid to shape the future, and you just need to sign up, register. You have to fill simple application form, and after clearing out the test or assessment, you will paid to work for its project. So there are a lot of projects after you clear the assessment. Okay, so it's exactly like other famous websites like Outlier, Liner, where you have to like work on tasks. For example, if you don't know, this is the annotation task. Okay, for example, you have to label that whether this is cookie or toy or a package. So whenever you see an image, you just need to click on cookies, and this is the just one example of a data annotation task, like how annotation tasks look like. Okay, so yeah, you are going to work on data annotation task, for example, tag images, labeling, and all that. Also can transform text to audio. So these are the some of the tasks that you need to do here. What are the eligibility criteria? You need to be a human, you have some free time, and you need to take payments only on PayPal. Other are not available. For example, Payoneer, Wise, no, only PayPal is available. So make sure you need to create the PayPal account. So these are the clients. For example, Yahoo Japan, MasterCard, these are the clients of Neevo AI. As you can see, almost every single people are working from different countries. Like it has around 1 million like workers, and they are working on the 50 different languages. So yeah, you just need to like join today. We need, for a registration process, we need to click on the join button. Then we to create a new account, because I'm going to create a new account for you from scratch. Okay, with Mr. 27 scp@gmail.com. Password will be I'm just doing a new registration from my junk email, so I don't care whether you see the password or not. Okay, so now we have to click on the privacy. We need to confirm. Okay, and after that, okay, language abilities. So I will click on English. Country is India. My level is, I'm not a native, but I know the fluent level. Okay, I can add one more language, that is Indian language, that is Hindi. Again, India. I'm native in this language region. Okay, so I can add a language. So yeah, I've added two information, and now I can go continue. Birth date, since it's I can input anything. 2001. Gender, country of residence, uh, bachelor's degree. Okay, so I need to like computer science, because I studied computer science, right? So see, okay, I got it. Computer engineering. Continue. You can also use your profile image, but I'm now we need to confirm the email. So there will be some email here. Just need to check whether it exists or not. If it's not there, then we need to check out our spam folder. Yeah, it's on a spam. So a lot of people, I've seen a lot of complaints that they are not getting confirming, because you need to check your spam folder. Okay, so always make sure to check your spam folder. Start browsing the jobs, and I think it's pretty much about it. Yeah. Now we need to go to skill based section, and you need to like complete the writing test, listening test. So you need to complete these assessments. You need to pass these assessments, and after completing these assessments, you will be allocated to jobs. As you can see, you can find a language as required to access a job. When you pass a test, improve your ranking potential, allocated to paying jobs. Say yeah, that's pretty much about it. You need to clear the assessments in order to be eligible for the project. So that you can do by your own. So I don't need to tell you, I don't need to teach you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more updates like these.